Greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Okay, now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. What if I told you that you can start a blog today completely free and turn it into an income source using affiliate marketing and Google AdSense? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can create blogger website and generate traffic and revenue. So let's get started. Step number 1. Create your blog on blogger.com. First, visit www.blogger.com. I will put this link in the video description, and from here you can click sign in or you can click create your blog. For this video demonstration, we are going to click on create your blog. Make sure to be logged in to your Gmail account. Now we are going to select the Gmail account. Now we will close the welcome notice. From here, choose a name for your blog. For example, AI tools tips. Click next and choose a blog URL. We are going to set the blog URL AI tools tips and tricks. If available, click next. It's checking the availability and something. So the blog address is available. Now we are going to click next. We will set the display name. So this is our display name and click finish. It will take a few seconds. Now you are inside the blogger dashboard, your control panel. Now we are going to close these notices. From here, let's understand the blogger dashboard. On the left hand side, you will find posts, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layouts, themes, settings, and reading list. And this is the view blog. If you click this page or click this button, so this is our blog. With this, we are going to move to the step number 2, which is create your first blog post. To create our first blog post, we'll go back to the blogger dashboard. From here, we are going to click new post. With that, we will be landing on the writing editor. So let's understand this editor first. From here, we can configure the title, and on the right hand side, we have the option to preview. We have the option to save as well. After all this configuration is done and we are done with the writing, we can publish option. We can set the label. We have the option to publish on. There is the option to automatic set date and time for the future release or future publish. We have the settings for permalink, we have the settings for the location, and we have the options as well. From here we can configure whether readers are allowed to comment or not. And on the top toolbar we have the option to undo, redo. We can configure the format as well, HTML view, compose view. We have the option to font type, font size. We can make it normal or heading. We have the option to bold, italic, underline, strike through, text color. We can change the text background color as well. After that, we have the option to insert link, which we are going to use to configure the affiliate link. We have the option to insert images, videos, emojis, and Google experience to your post. Also, we have the alignment settings, for example, left to left align, increase indent. We have the option to decrease indent, bullet point, quote, insert jump break, and more. Now we will set the blog title, for example, AI for beginners. And you can use tools like ChatGPT or you can use the dummy data as well. I have used the ChatGPT. Now we are going to copy this text. Let's copy and paste it in here. Please note that I'm using ChatGPT for the demonstration. Now if you'd like to add an affiliate link, you can copy this text or you can select this text and insert link from here. Let's add this link www.chatgpt.com, and we can configure open this link in a new window and we will apply this one. This is how affiliate marketing works. You earn a commission when someone signs up or purchases through this link. Make sure to get the right affiliate link from the provider. Step number 3, add a video. Let's add the video in here. To embed a video, click insert video icon, which is this one. If we click from here, we can select whether we would like to upload video from our computer or YouTube. Let's click on YouTube. And now we are going to copy the video URL, copy link, and we will paste it in here and enter. And this is how it will generate the video. Now we are going to select this one. We'll get the insert button. Let's insert the video in here. Now adjust the alignment and size as needed. For example, if you would like to increase the size, we can make it big. So that's it for now. Now step number 4, add an image. And let's add that image in here. To insert image, we need to click insert image icon. Let's click this one. From here, we can choose whether we would like to add the image from our computer, Google Photos, Blogger, or by URL. Let's upload from our computer. Let's click this one and we'll choose the file. So we have selected the image. So this is our image. If we click this image, we will have the option for the alignment. For example, let's configure this alignment in here. Also, we have the option or settings to configure the alternative text and text title as well. Also, we can configure the size, small, medium, large, original size as well. Image makes your post looks more professional and improve readability. Step number 5, customize permalink and publish. Before publishing, go to post settings, which is this one. Go to permalink, and this is our automatic permalink. Also, we can choose custom permalink as well. For example, how to use AI, beginner tutorial. Now you can save as draft. If you click this here, you can save this as a draft. You can preview this post, or you can schedule the post for later folder. If you go to publish on, and we can set the date and time to schedule this post. Once you are done with all the post settings configuration, you can publish the post as well. Let's confirm this one, and we would like to publish this post. So our post has been published. If you go to view blog, we'll be able to see the post in here. So this is how easy it is to add post to our Blogger website. So as you can see, we have added the video, we have added the image as well. Step number 6, which is track traffics. Let's go back to the Blogger dashboard, and from here let's click on stats. In the stats section, you can see visitors today, yesterday, this month, last month. Also, we can configure last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 30 days, last 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and all time. Top post, traffic source. This helps you understand what content performing the best. Now step number 7, connect Google AdSense. To do that, we are going to click earning. From here, you can create your new Google AdSense account, or you can connect your existing account as well by following this guideline from here. Once approved, you can display ads on your blog. Earn money per click or impression. Combine this with affiliate marketing for multiple income streams. Step number 8, create important pages. You should create about us, contact, terms and condition, privacy policy, affiliate disclosure, and other pages as per your own preference. To create a page, go to pages and click on new page button. The editing interface will be the same as we have seen previously. To create a page, let's give a title about us, and you can add the content in here. For this video demonstration, let's copy the content from here, copy and paste it in here. After that, we will hit publish, and we will confirm this one. And this is how easy it is to create pages. Let's add 2 more pages. we are going to click new page and give a title privacy and policy. Let's paste the same content in here and hit publish. And we need to confirm the, let's create another page which is terms, copy the same content and hit publish, and we need to confirm it as well. Now that we have created the pages, if you visit the blog, by default it will not show in here. Now you might be wondering, how can we show the pages that we have created in here? To do that, we need to go back to the dashboard. We'll click layout. From here, we will go to page list, which is this one. As you can see, this icon, by default, it will be hidden. We need to click on this pencil icon. First, we need to show this widget. Let's enable this one. We can give a title which is optional. Let's give a title main header. Now, in order to add the pages we want, we need to click add new item. From here, if you click, automatically our created pages will be in here. Now let's add the terms. We'll hit the save, click add new item again. Let's click on this one. Let's click the about us page. Let's save, and we need to hit the save again. Now if we visit this blog, we will be able to see our pages has been added in here. Now as you can see on the left side, we have the profile picture option, we have the view profile, we have the archive and report abuse. And this also being maintained from here. For example, this one, this is our about. If we click this about and view profile, by editing this profile, we can configure the profile picture and other. Now let's go back to the layout again. And in here, as you can see, we have the sidebar, blog archive, labels and report abuse. And we have the search option as well, which is this one. Let's go back to the website. So this is the search option. I highly recommend to keep it as it is so that user can search. Now we have the option is header. As you can see in this page, our header is showing. If you don't want this header to be shown, you can configure it from the header. Let's click on this pencil icon. And if you disable this and hit save, let's reload this page again. As you can see, our header is no longer showing. So this is how easy it is to configure the pages, show it to the front end and hide the title of the page. Now let's go back to the Blogger dashboard again. From the layout, check other options as well. For example, we have the ads. We can add the AdSense code after approval. We have the page body. We can add the featured post, blog post, popular post, and this is the footer, which is mainly configured in here. This is the footer option. Now let's talk about the themes, which is step number 9. To do that, we'll go to the Blogger dashboard and click on themes. As you can see, currently this themes is activated. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see so many options. For example, if we like this theme, we can just click this one. We will have the preview. We can see the preview, and we have also have the responsive option. We have the option to desktop, tablet, mobile, and so on. If you like this one, you can apply it as well from here. Just click on apply. The theme will be implemented. Now if you click this drop down, we'll have the option to backup, restore, switch to first generation classic theme and edit HTML. Now let's click on this customize option. From this customize option, we will be able to change the background. We'll have the main color themes. On the advanced, we can change the font. For example, let's change the font from default to this one. As you can see, the font has been changed. Also, you can change the font as per your own preference. We have the option for colors, gadgets, and so on. This is how easy it is to customize the theme and change the theme on the Blogger. Now we will go to the settings, which is the final step, optimize settings and so on. From here, you can configure the basic settings for title, description, which is very important. We have the option for the Google Analytics, which you can add. For this video, I'm not going to show you this one. If you want us to explore and how to configure Google Analytics, drop a comment below and I will happy to create another video. After that, we will have the privacy option, publishing, HTTP, permissions, post, comments, emails, formatting, meta tags, error and redirects. We have the option for crawling and index. You can enable custom robots.txt. We have the option for monetization. We have option to manage blog, site feed, and general. So these settings improve SEO and monetization potential. This is how easy it is to create a website on blogger.com, and we have explored all the basic settings we need. Let's visit the blog, and this is our website. With the free blogger website, you can earn through affiliate marketing, Google AdSense ads, promoting your YouTube channel, selling digital products, even write a simple design and methods works if you publish helpful content, you stay consistent, you target searchable topic. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to create a free blogger website and turn it into an income source using affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. The best part, you don't need coding skills, you don't need money to start, you just need consistency and right strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like this video so more people see it. Subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tutorials on blogging, affiliate marketing, and making money online. And drop a comment below telling us your blog niche. I would love to check it out, even make a video about it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.